Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get a 4K quality using the adjustment in CapCut. So in here, I've already imported a video, and to get the 4K quality that you want, you just need to go to adjust, and here for the sharpness, increase it to 50. And then increase the saturation to 20. And after that, add this video effect. So the first one is the soft effect that can be found under the lens category. Okay, find soft, this one, and add it to around 30. And the second one is the HDR effect, still on the lens category. Okay, this HDR. So for the size and amount, adjust it into 100 and the intensity 35. Okay, so now it's done, and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.